Hey guys, it's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve fuller looking lips. It's really easy, really quick, and I'm only going to use 3 Tarte products. So let's get started. I'm going to be using our Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paints in the shade Festival and Obsessed. So I'm going to use these two to kind of frame my lip and get that shape and dimension going. And then I'm going to top it off with our Busy Gal Gloss in the shade Work for that more hydrated finish. So I'm going to start by taking a flat brush just like this one right here. I'm going to use this to kind of like get that shape and just softly outline the shape of my lips. And I'm going to be using the shade Obsessed to do that. So I'm just going to take a little bit right off the brush and we're going to go in and shape our lips. Now we're going to fill in the outer corners of our lips with that same shade Obsessed for a little bit more dimension. Now we're going to take the shade Festival and we're going to softly blend it out from the center, working to those outer corners and the edges to create this nice soft ombre effect to give the illusion of a fuller looking pout. Once that's done, we're going to go back into that shade Obsessed and we're going to create a little bit of a line down the center of our lip. That's going to give our lips like that full pout appearance, kind of like an Angelina Jolie lip. Now I'm going to take our Busy Gal Gloss in Work and I'm just going to top that right over. That's going to add intense shine and hydration, making your lips look even fuller. And that's it. Alright guys, so there you have it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comment section below if you've got any questions or if there's any other tutorials you specifically want to see me do. Alright guys, until next time, take care.